Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new reMarkable 2, the latest e-reader designed to unleash your creativity and focus. Let's jump right in and see what this device has to offer. reMarkable 2 is a paper tablet that offers a unique writing experience, replicating the feel of writing on paper. Unlike traditional tablets with glass displays, reMarkable uses e-ink technology, resulting in less fatigue and eye strain compared to backlit displays. The device aims to provide a distraction-free environment for tasks such as note-taking, document review, and reading. This tablet stands out by avoiding the multitasking features found in other tablets like iPads, preventing constant notifications and easy access to apps and social media. The primary goal is to help users stay focused during brainstorming sessions, ideation, work, or creative projects. Whether you're generating ideas for work, starting a new business, or simply indulging in artistic pursuits, reMarkable allows you to immerse yourself without the interruptions common in other tablets. The device emphasizes its role as a reader and writer, promoting a deliberate separation from the all-encompassing functionalities of devices like iPads. reMarkable enables users to convert handwritten notes into typed text, annotate PDFs directly, and engage in paper-like reading and writing experiences. The overall aim is to provide a tool that encourages deep concentration and thoughtful engagement, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. As you can see, the packaging exudes a premium look and is beautifully arranged, setting the stage for an impressive unboxing experience. Let's unbox the product. Now, let's dive into what's inside the box. Upon opening, you'll discover a sleek and stylish black box, housing the product within. We have some paper write-ups inside. These are the how-to info of the product, including the details about the package. It includes some guides. You can check it yourself regarding these details. There are a lot of know-how video of the product available in reMarkable's site. Now here we have the charging cable for the product. The product uses Type-C cable for charging. Company assures 2 weeks use of the product with 100% charge. Here you see the reMarkable 2. Wow! It really feels slim. This is the slimmest tablet in the world. And you can feel it. It is really cool to have the first touch. Just see how it looks. It really looks like a paper sheet. See how thin it is. Now let's turn on the device. To turn on the device, just hold the power button on the top left corner for a few seconds, like 2 to 3 seconds. Just wait for a few seconds so that the reMarkable 2 will finish its initial setup. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds to boot up. Once the initial booting is completed, you have the option to set up the device. It is as simple as you can see. Before starting the setup, to initiate, let's have the marker for reMarkable. I have purchased Marker Plus along with the reMarkable 2 paper tablet. Marker Plus helps you in replicating the feel of a real pen. It leaves you free to write without distractions. It have built-in eraser for corrections. All markers come with 9 spare tips. This tips can be replaced once you lose the feel of the marker on the screen or the ink is lighter. So this is the Marker Plus pen. You have Marker is cheaper than this. Now let's see how the Marker Plus works on the screen. Wow! It really feels smooth. I can feel like I am writing on a paper with a pen. Now let's use the inbuilt eraser to erase what we have written. The screen is an intelligent device which detects what we are rubbing and erases it properly, as you can see. Now let's finish the remaining setup. You can connect to Wi-Fi if required. You can sync it with your devices and share the file with mobile or laptop. 1-year Connect subscription is available along with it. You can choose which hand you use to write here. It will help in the smooth operation of the product. Now the product is all set up. The reMarkable 2 is beautifully presented in a jet black box. Only when it is taken out of the box can you appreciate how slim this tablet is, with a thickness of just 4.7 mm. It comes with 8 GB internal storage and up to 2 weeks of battery. I have purchased folios along with the product to protect the device. Created with function and style in mind, all folios are made from fine materials and designed to fit reMarkable 2 perfectly. Upgrade to book folio to keep your paper tablet protected, even while working. So let's see how the device fits to the folio. It is just a strong magnet which attracts the device to the folio. Even after having the folio on, the device looks very slim. reMarkable 2 fits perfectly on the device. You can have a premium look with the folio on your reMarkable 2. I really liked it. The marker can also be attached on the side. Now as a whole it looks really like a notebook which can be taken to any occasion. Thank you.